Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make colored glitter slime. The ingredients you're going to need is super glue, any type of super glue, but I'm using Yoo-Hoo glue. You'll be using dab in color, edible color, food coloring. Some glitter, I'll be using red and blue. So let's get started. First, also be needing a utensil, stationery, anything to mix with and something to mix in. First, you're going to put your glue. Second, you're going to put your glitter. How much you want to put. Just putting a little bit of red. A bit more. Okay, that's enough. And a little bit of blue. Oh, that's a lot. Let's put it back. Put it again. Oh, that's a lot. Let's put it again. Just a little. Okay, let's put our food coloring. I almost forgot. Oh no! The glue touched the thing. The food coloring. Okay, I already got some there, but it wants to be more red. Okay, so let's mix. It's gonna be amazing because I haven't even tried glitter inside slime before. I didn't even test it out, but I know it'll work. Because everything works in my channel. Oh, you can see the glitter there. Oh, there's a little bit more here. Let's just sprinkle it top. Okay, then you want to just knead it until it feels very like plastic type of feeling. It's very cold actually. I don't know why I didn't even put it in the freezer. Actually, I never put it in the freezer before. Just use my right hand. What can I use you? Okay. I can't pause anymore. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. You need to look me need. It's very long type. I'm trying to do it faster, but you want your slime to be better, I guess. This is going to take a short while. Let me try to toss. Okay, look, it's not sticking a little. That means it's almost ready. Okay. Got a little bit more slime there. More there. Now it's more to stick back because that's still glue. Try to get most of it. Okay, here's the slime, but I really want to take all of it, so let's pause. So proof, I'm going to take it all out without actually changing another container. That I did last time, I know I can do it this time. To prove to you guys that I never actually changed the cap. So a cap is actually better than a bowl because this kind of plastic or anything actually better. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's try to form. Okay. That was just my sister. She was just coming in because she wanted to ruin my video. She always ruins my video. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, maybe I ruin myself. But most of the time it's her. Gonna put more glitter into it. The rest of the glitter. Oh, there's much more here. And here's the consistency of everything, and it will be hard if you never put in the Ziploc bag or anything like a container. Here is how to make colored slime. See how it actually became that I didn't actually put anything like in a Ziploc bag. It became this very hard slime. Because see all the bubbles inside because it's not even slimy anymore. You can't make bubbles anymore. Look. I guess you can, but just a little. Can stretch them. Well, look. There's a lot of bubbles inside. You can put it back. Look, I can just take out the same thing that I actually took. So here's the consistency of New Made. And that's the consistency of whenever you put in the Ziploc bag. So I'm going to just put in the Ziploc bag and not going to put any air inside. Look, made a very nice bubble. I show closer. I don't need to actually show closer to you guys because the sparkle would tell you. Oh, there's a little hole there. Okay. Look. Looky here. There's a little hole here actually. And those of you who could not blow bubbles, what bubbles I meant is actually how you start it to blow. Like if you put soap here, like that. And you open it, it will be like this. So that was actually my meaning of bubbles. You do not blow it, you just see it. And you got this plastic texture. So I'll show you what like I meant of using a Ziploc bag to actually store your slime. Or any type of box. Box is actually worse than the Ziploc bag because the Ziploc bag is actually much bigger. Okay, big. Oh my god. Look, I made the biggest bubble. Oh, seriously. Seriously. So she enjoyed in mine. Okay. Bye. Yes. Okay. I'll just take one bag to store it and tell you what did I mean about still have the same consistency. Look, just now I could actually pull it back, but this time can't. It was different. Look, I just put it back in now. It's just stretching. It's gonna get hard if I don't actually put it in the bag now. Look, it has a little bubble. Look at this bubble. Look at the bubble. Look. It's a real life bubble. I mean, not the stretchy one, and you started blowing it, but a real life bubble that you blow, that's your bubble. This is a real bubble. Look. Well, that blurry thing at the lavender spilling there. It's a real bubble. Oh, I popped it. Okay, so I am going to tell what you can actually put inside. First, you can put in this little container a peppermint. This is hard. This peppermint container. No, I don't need any other. This peppermint. Put it there. Okay, and one more. Oh, this plastic here is actually clear. I want to put it here, Peter, because you won't get any air inside if you put it properly. Okay. It's like a little candy. Cross, do you think this is a candy?
No.
What is this?
What's that? What's that?
She doesn't know what is that. Okay. And if you close it properly, it will not be hard. Like that. Like that. Close it properly. Okay. Or maybe tape it in place. There. See, I taped it in place. So now no air is going to go inside and it won't be hard. Oh, will it? Oh! It's glue. So it will be a ball if it stays like that. Tomorrow we'll try it again. And we'll see if this be the ball or it still be very looking bubbles and stuff. Okay. Put it in the hole. Boop, boop. Bye. Glittery. Okay. Oh, there's a little more on this pencil. Just a little bit. Look. Okay, no. Okay. I'm clean up this mirror somehow. Okay. No. Wait. Wait.